Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. It is truly exciting to see Vivo, pushing boundaries and breaking barriers in smartphone technology, has just launched the world's first Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 foldable phone, the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. The Vivo X Fold 3 Pro boasts a stunning external screen, a 6.53-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2748 by 1172p, with a lightning-fast 120Hz refresh rate and an aspect ratio of 21.1:9. This display offers a truly immersive experience. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Unfold this beauty, and you'll find an impressive 8.03-inch foldable AMOLED screen with a resolution of 2480 by 2200p. Just like its external counterpart, it features a 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for multitasking or immersing yourself in your favorite content. Powering the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro is the mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking, coupled with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. This phone can handle anything you throw at it. Worried about running out of battery? Fear not, the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro comes with a massive 5700 mAh battery, delivering long-lasting power to keep up with your busy lifestyle. And if you're in a hurry, the 100W wired and 50W wireless charging capabilities ensure that you can charge up in no time. We all love capturing memories, and Vivo understands that with a 32MP front camera on both the external and internal screens, you can take stunning selfies and make crystal clear video calls. But the real magic lies in the rear camera setup: a 50MP OmniVision OV50H sensor with OIS, a 50MP Samsung JN1 ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP OV64B 70mm 3x telephoto lens. Also with OIS, your photography game is about to reach new heights. Your privacy and security are of utmost importance. That's why the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro features an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor on both displays, ensuring that only you can unlock your device and access your personal data. Connectivity-wise, this phone has it all. With support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, USB-C, USB 3.2, and even an IR blaster, you'll always stay connected and in control. Of course, software plays a crucial role too. The Vivo X Fold 3 Pro runs on Android 14 with the latest Origin OS 4, providing a smooth and intuitive user experience. And let's not forget about the design. The Vivo X Fold 3 Pro features an elegant aluminum alloy frame, combining durability with a sleek and modern look. Whether you choose the classic black or the sophisticated white, rest assured that this device will turn heads wherever you go. The Vivo X Fold 3 Pro measures 159.96 by 142.4 by 5.2 mm when unfolded, and a compact 159.96 by 72.55 by 11.2 mm when folded. Weighing in at just 236 grams, it's a perfect balance between portability and functionality. The Vivo X Fold 3 Pro, the world's first Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 foldable phone, with its stunning display, powerful performance, and advanced features, this device is truly a game changer. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.